Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Introduction to SPSS and Data Entry, a step-by-step guide for BSc and generic students. This is the second lecture. Today's learning objectives are input, understand how to enter and manage raw data in SPSS software, define and label variables accurately in variable view, focusing on data types and value labels, refine, manage, edit, and clean data for accuracy, save and retrieve dataset efficiently. What is SPSS? SPSS is a statistical package for the social sciences. The core function of SPSS is a comprehensive software package for statistical analysis. Key capabilities: data analysis, statistical test, data management, organizing, cleaning and managing datasets, graphical presentations, visualizing results through charts and graphs. There are three key windows in SPSS. The first one is data file, data editor. The extension is .sav, the primary workspace where you input and view data. The second one is output viewer. The extension is .spv, where you create your result, charts, tables, and statistical results. The third one is syntax editor. The extension is .sps, a script editor for writing and running code commands. The data editor, first window. Here we have two views, data views and variable views. The data view is the front stage. Here rows called patients or cases and columns called variables for entering raw data. Looks like an Excel sheets. And the second view is the variable view, the backstage, where you define the properties and rules of the variables. First, we define or describe variable view. Before entering data, switch to variable view. The first column is name or first properties of the variable is name, the system ID, and the second one is type, numeric or string. The third one width, fourth one is decimals places. The fifth one is label, the description of the variable or full name of the variable, values, the coding, missing columns, alignment, and the last one is measure, the statistical levels. Variable view, naming rules. The first rule is unique, no duplication is allowed. Start strong, must begin with an alphabetic characters, letters, no symbols allowed, like plus, minus sign, steric, and no spaces are allowed, forbidden. Pro tips: the workaround, use an underscore in place of space. Patient space ID, the correct patient underscore ID. Variable view, type and decimal. Variable type, numeric and string. defines the data format most commonly used numeric and string type decimals. Default setting is 2 decimal places, adjust based on the precision needed. For example, height is 5.4 feet. Set decimal to 1 place. Variable view labels. Computer name, pet age translated to human description, age of patients in years. The name column has strict rules, no space. The label column allows for clarity. It is the English sentence for your variable where you can write the full description of the variable. Values or coding. Values is used to code the categorical variables. If we have gender variable having two categories, code 1 for male category and code 2 for female category. Click the values cell, value enter the numeric code for male 1 and label enter the category name male and click add button and press OK. Variable view measure. Here we have three most popular measure: scale, ordinal and nominal. Scale continuous quantitatives, for example, weight, height, blood pressure. Ordinal for rank categories, satisfaction rating, stages of cancer. Nominal unranked categories like gender, male, female, race, white, black, smoking status, yes, no. Task 1, low birth weight datasets setup. Define these variables in variable view. LBW underscore cat low birth weight categories 0 weight is greater than or equal to 2.5 and 1 weight is less than 2.5. Nominal variable type. Age of the mother in years. Scale types of variable. Race white 1 code and black code is 2 nominal variable. Smoking status 1 for yes, 0 for no, nominal type of variable. BWT birth weight scale type of variable. Task 1, low birth weight dataset entry. Switch tab to data view and enter the following cases: BWT, LBW underscore cat, age, race, smoke, and we enter the first case 2.08. Low birth weight cat is 1, age is 19, race is 2, and smoke is 1. We enter 5 cases, and the last cases is 3.80 birth weight. Low birth weight category is 0, means no low birth weight, greater than 2.5. Age is 30, race is 1, means white. Smoking status is 0, means no smoke. In data view, when we enter the data and press button value labels, then the values show in the data columns. Final tips and saving. Saving, always save your data editor file with the .save extension file, then go to save as, then tutorial2.save. Toggle views. Double click variables header to jump the instantly between data and variable views. Value labels. Use the value labels button tag icon in the toolbar to switch between seeing codes 1 and labels male in the data view. Next steps. Explore the help menu and practice with the provided dataset. Tutorial 2. Honolulu Hut Studies. Assignment: enter data for 10 individuals and save as tutorial 2. The variables ID, weight, kg, scale type of variable, height, centimeter, scale type of variable, age in years, scale type of variable, glucose, scale type of variable, cholesterol, and systolic blood pressure in scale type of variable. And the course nominal data: education level ordinal, 1 is none, 2 is primary, 3 is intermediate, 4 senior high, 5 technical school. Smoking status: nominal, 0 no, 1 yes. Physical activity: ordinal, 1 mostly sitting, 2 moderate, 3 heavily sitting. Thank you so much.